Hey everyone! If you're getting transaction errors on Trust Wallet, don't worry. I've got some easy fixes you can try. So, first, make sure your Trust Wallet app is updated to the latest version. So just go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Trust Wallet, and tap Update if it's available. If it only shows open, you're already good to go. So if updating doesn't solve the problem, try refreshing your wallet inside the app. Open Trust Wallet, tap on Wallets, then tap on the three dots next to your wallet and change its name. This little trick can sometimes help refresh a connection. If it's still not fixed, head over to your phone's settings, find the Trust Wallet app, and clear the cache and data. This clears out any glitches or extra files that might be causing the issue. This method is for Android users only. If you're using an iOS, since there's no option to clear cache and data, just uninstall the app and reinstall it again. After that, open Trust Wallet again and your transactions should work smoothly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.